Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. I would like to welcome all the faculty members at Northern Borough University. In this tutorial, we are going to explain you how you upload your recorded lecture inside your courses. So to do that, you need to enter your Blackboard account. And if you are an English speaker, go to the top left side of your screen where you will have a globe icon. Change your language to English and your interface changes to English. Enter your username, that is your Iqama ID, without the first digit of your Iqama ID. I repeat, the username for you is your Iqama ID without its first digit. So once you log into your Blackboard account, go to the course in which you have already delivered the lecture and you would like to copy the recorded lecture and make it available for your students for the future references. So I have chosen this course because I have delivered my lecture in this specific course. So I'll go to this course, scroll down the course menu. On the bottom side I have control panel. I'll expand the course tools. Then you have Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. If you remember, this is the place where you have created the session. Once you open Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, on the top left side you have a menu icon. Click on menu icon, then go to recordings. You will have list of all the recordings which you have selected for your different lectures. For me, I would like to go with this recording and I would like to make this recording available for my students. To do that, select the recording, choose the recording which you want to copy and go to the right side of your screen. You have an icon which says recording options. Click on it, select this, scroll down your screen, then choose copy link. Once you choose copy link, the link gets copied. Since the link gets copied, you need to paste this link somewhere. Way to paste this link, let me show you. Go to the content and create a folder with the name recorded lectures. I'll delete it for you and show you how you going to create the folder. Go to build content, create a content folder, give it a name as a recorded lecture. Why we are using this naming convention or why we are using this name, you can use another name as well, but I prefer to use a user-friendly name. That means any student can understand what does this folder consist of. So by default, if you create anything, it will go to the last position of the page. You can drag and change its position. I'll drag it and take it to the topmost position. So once you do it, you have the recorded lecture folder created, but there is nothing inside it. Go inside this folder. Again, go back to build content. Now you have, if you remember, in the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, you went to the Collaborate recording and you have copied the link. So since you have copied the link, you have to paste it somewhere. So where do I paste this link? I'll go to build content and then I go to web link. Once I open web link, in place of URL, I will paste this link which I have already copied. Then put the name as the title of this recording. The title for this recording was, suppose it's lecture 1 and the title was language and translation. Once you choose the topic of your lecture and you have pasted the link which you have copied from Blackboard Collaborate Ultra tool, you will click submit. And now your link for the recorded lecture becomes available for your student. So this will help all the students who missed your lecture. They will come to this place, attend the lecture once again. And even for the student who would like to see your lecture or repeat the lecture, they will come to this place and listen to it again and again till all their questions has been answered. So how to open this lecture? Simply click on this link. Even if I'm a student, I'll do this. I'll click on this link. It will redirect me to a new page where the lecture gets loaded and you will be asked that shall I play this recording. Okay, then play this recording. So this is how the student gets benefit from the recorded lectures. So this is all for the today's session. Hope you understand everything, and I wish you also remember that where you record your lecture. Make sure this lecture recording will be available for the faculty members who have chosen to record their lecture while delivering their live lecture. If any faculty member do not find his lecture recording, this means he or she has not initiated the lecture recording while delivering the lecture. Okay, to make it more simpler for you, how you record your lecture, I'll show you in just 1 minute. Go to the same place where you have created your Blackboard Collaborate Ultra session, and any session which is going to be live, open that session. Since you are a faculty, you will join the session from here. Once you join the session gets loaded. And before going ahead and delivering your lecture, there is an option to record your lecture. I'll show you a way to do that. Once the lecture gets loaded, on the top left side of your screen you have a menu icon. Expand it. The panel gets popped up and click on start recording. Once you click on start recording, the lecture gets recorded. If you see that, if you observe, there is an handycam icon which shows, or which is an indicator that this lecture is being recorded. And make sure, I repeat, make sure that once your session gets finished, you come to the same place and stop recording. Depending on the lecture duration, if it's for 1 hour or 2 hours or more than that as well, the lecture recording will take time to convert it to a compatible video format and becomes available inside your Blackboard course. Since it will become available but not to the student, only to the faculty. So now it comes back to the faculty to copy the link of the recorded lecture and put the link inside content area, so that your students will be benefited for the future references. This is all for today's session. You have a great day ahead. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Assalamu alaikum.